I hope you're all having a fantastic evening. It has turned cool here. I won't get too used to it. It's only supposed to be cool for a couple days, but I'll take it. It's nice not to be blasted by the sun or the heat. It's about 70 degrees right now. So I'm in the high tunnel, stringing up my last planting of cucumbers. They're English cucumbers or Persian cucumbers. And I should have did it a while ago, but hey, I had other things to do. I must say, I did buy a Garden Answer knee pad. Oh man, this thing is nice. And take it in the house when you're doing workouts, and it makes a world of difference for your knees. So, string up cucumbers to keep them off the ground to begin with so they're cleaner. But then I'm finding that my cucumbers have been invaded by squash bugs, which, no, we won't have any of that. Oh, I lost my trimmers. So I've got my bucket of soapy water that, whoops, there you are. Not the leaves go in the compost bucket that I'm throwing the squash bugs in. But these they'll probably hit the top of this line. This is how tall is this? I don't know, 20 feet. So, but keep them trim, keep them off the ground, no dirt. The fruit hangs nice and straight. So it's a good thing to do if you have a high tunnel and are growing the Persian or English cucumbers. Trimming them helps a lot. You don't need all the extra branches, and it'll focus. Sorry, I'm trying to see this. It'll focus on the fruit production more than the leaves. So, oh shoot. Let me throw it right out the camera here. So I have pardon the interruption. Somebody's driving by. Nobody ever comes out here. So, anyway, even if you don't have a high tunnel, you can build a trellis system to put these on. It's just so much more cleaner. So then I use a ground staple to tie the string into, and the string is just hanging off the middle purlin of my high tunnel. There we go. And I don't use any clips or anything. I just wrap it around. And you'll have to come out here periodically and continue wrapping it because they will grow rather quickly. So I will continue to get this done, continue to weed, continue to look for squash bugs and put them into the soapy water. Yeah, we don't need all those. This is the first time they've ever hit my cucumbers. So I kind of gave up on my squash. They just were invasive this year. And these are about a 1.5 feet apart. But now the days are getting shorter, they don't need too much room. So that's kind of nice. So I hope you have a good rest of the evening and weekend. Oh, squash bug. Seriously, and they're babies too, so I gotta be on the lookout for eggs on the back side. Make sure I don't have any egg babies anywhere. So, oh, and the knee pad, you can hop on gardenanswer.com or Garden Answer store, I think. I don't know, our local nursery carries them also. So, hey, take care, and I'll post another video on rose propagate. Have a good evening. Bye.